Hello, I'm Mia. Listen, repeat, and have fun. Let's start.
Today, I'm shopping in a big supermarket. The doors open with a ding, and I walk inside. The lights are bright, and everything looks clean and colorful. The air feels cool and smells fresh. I take a red basket from the shelf. I look around, so many aisles and so many products. First, I see signs: dairy, bakery, fruits, drinks, snacks. I smile. This is my favorite place to shop. I look at my list: milk, cheese, yogurt, bread, apples, coffee. Let's start shopping. I walk to the dairy aisle. It's cold here. The shelves are full of milk, in blue and white bottles. Some bottles are small, some are big. I take one bottle of low-fat milk. The milk looks fresh and creamy. Next, I see yogurt, many colors and flavors. Strawberry, banana, peach, and vanilla. So many choices. I take 2 small strawberry yogurts. I also see big jars of plain yogurt. I put 1 plain yogurt in my basket for cooking. I walk a bit further and find cheese. There's soft cheese, hard cheese, and sliced cheese. I take 1 small pack of yellow cheese slices. Then I take 1 piece of mozzarella. My basket is already half full. Good start. Bakery section, the smell here is warm and sweet. I see fresh bread on wooden shelves. White bread, brown bread, and small rolls. Everything looks delicious. I take 1 loaf of brown bread. It's soft and smells amazing. Next, I see croissants and sweet buns. The croissants are golden and shiny. I take 1 croissant for breakfast. There are also muffins with chocolate chips. I take 1 small muffin, just a treat. The baker smiles behind the counter and waves hello. I look at some cakes behind the glass. They look beautiful. Maybe next time. I put my bread and muffin carefully in my basket. Time to visit the fruit and vegetable section. This section is full of color and life. I see apples, red, green, and yellow. The red ones look the best.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.
I take 3 red apples and put them in a small paper bag. I see bananas, bright yellow and curved. I take 2 bananas. They look sweet. I move to the oranges and lemons. The oranges smell so fresh. I take 2 big oranges. I see tomatoes, round and red like apples. I take 4 tomatoes for salad. Next, I take 1 cucumber and some lettuce. The lettuce is green and crisp. I check my basket. So many colors now. Time to buy something for lunch and dinner. I walk to the next aisle, dry food and snacks. I see rice, pasta, flour, and sugar. I take 1 small bag of rice. Then I take spaghetti, my favorite kind of pasta. The pasta looks golden and smooth. I see jars of tomato sauce next to it. I take 1 jar of sauce for my dinner. On the next shelf, I see cereal boxes. Some boxes are big, some small, with bright pictures on them. I take 1 box of cornflakes for breakfast. Now I look at the snack section: chips, nuts, and cookies. I take 1 small bag of salty chips. I take a pack of cookies, chocolate flavor, of course. I smile. My basket is getting heavy again. Let's find the drinks now. This aisle smells like coffee and cocoa. I see coffee jars, tea boxes, and bottles of juice. I take 1 jar of instant coffee, a favorite brand. Next, I take 1 box of green tea. I see apple juice, orange juice, and mineral water. I take a small bottle of orange juice. I also take 1 big bottle of still water. The bottles are cold and heavy. I checked my list. Time to pay for everything. I walk to the checkout line with my basket. I put all my items on the counter, one by one. The cashier scans each item. I pay by card and wait for the receipt. I pack everything in my green reusable bag. I take my receipt and smile. Shopping done.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.